Over the last few years, an online income revolution has been quietly building steam. While ordinary people around the world saw their dreams crushed by stupid government lockdowns, global conflicts, and economic disasters, a select few ordinary people found a way to generate over 160 million together. And let me tell you, they didn't have their own products, their own email lists, neither their own websites. They weren't tech geniuses or seasoned business people, but they simply followed a proven three-step system for making bank online. And now, in 2024, this revolution is going into overdrive thanks to the power of AI. Because now it's easier than ever to start using this system, create all the assets you need in just seconds, and start seeing the profits to roll in. Thanks to artificial intelligence, what used to take days only takes hours. What used to take hours only takes minutes. And what used to take minutes only takes seconds now. The playing field is wide open, but only for those few who are in the know about this three-step system and the brand new AI-powered software suite that's kicking it into high gear. Now, you can join this quiet revolution of ordinary people creating life-changing income online. Discover what current students are doing right now in 2024 to bring in 1, 5, and even up to 19,000 a day. Using this one software suite gives you the power to tap into all the hottest offers online right in mere seconds. Arobe and his team has poured in immense effort into this system, and we want to ensure it serves its purpose to help you create life-changing income in 2024, of course. This is your moment to seize a rare opportunity. Register for the live stream replay now and prepare to immerse yourself in the most powerful money-making AI software suite you have ever seen. So just go to goodpracticereview.org/CHAI and register for the upcoming live workshop or watch the replay. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the training soon. Bye bye.